Blinds are a convenient, stylish addition to most homes, but there are so many choices. How do you know what's right for you? Our helpful, handy buying guide will help you decide. Venetian Blinds. They're the classic choice. Elegant appearance, easy to use, great privacy, easy maintenance. Get them in PVC, aluminum, and wood. Roller blinds. Sharp and contemporary best describe these. Create slick, tidy lines in any interior. They're so easy to adjust and come in many fabrics. Roman blinds. Roman blinds have an instantly recognizable look. So classic, but also luxurious. It's easy to adjust the room lighting. Get them thick or translucent. Vertical blinds. And of course, we've got the fan favorite, the vertical blind. If you've got a sliding glass window or door in need of some privacy, a vertical blind is the way to go. You can always choose between light filtering and block-out blinds, as well as an array of color options. Honeycomb Shades. Are you in the market for a contemporary, cutting-edge, environmentally friendly solution? Honeycomb Shades might be just what you're looking for. These intelligently designed blinds feature special cells. These cells keep your room warm in the winter, yet cool in the summer. Would you like some more help deciding how to choose blinds? There's so much more we can show you. Visit our website to learn more. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.